Good morning, everyone. I'm teacher Senia. You are fourth grade. Today we have two objectives. Improve vocabulary related to community places and describe the type of service community places provide. Vamos a repasar las palabras del vocabulario que dimos sobre los lugares de la comunidad y también vamos a descubrir otros roles o funciones de otros lugares que existen en la comunidad. So first of all, you need to keep in mind that there are three types of community. We have the rural community where you can find farm animals, rivers, urban community where you can find big buildings, banks, big supermarkets, malls, and suburban community that you can find shore houses, shore markets. Hay tres tipos de comunidad. La comunidad rural, que es lo que conocemos como el campo, donde podemos encontrar animales de la granja como caballos, vacas, ovejas, chivos, cabritas. También podemos ver ríos. Y tenemos la comunidad urbana, donde vemos grandes edificios, también hay grandes moles para comprar, tenemos grandes supermercados. Y por último tenemos la suburbana. En la suburbana es lo que conocemos como un pueblo, donde podemos encontrar pequeñas farmacias, pequeñas casas, pequeños mercados. So remember that there are three types of community: rural, urban, and suburban. So this is a practice of the community that we see the last class. So for example, hospital. Where is hospital? Where is the hospital of these different pictures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hospital. Yes, it's the number 3. So we draw a line. Supermarket. In the supermarket, you can find fruit and vegetable. Yes, it's the number 4. Police station. Yes, you call for help to the police. Is the number 2. Yes. School. Yes, it's the place where you study. It's for education. It's the number 1. Church. Yes, it's the place where you pray to God. Church. Yes, so you have school, escuela, police station, estación de policía, hospital, hospital, supermarket, supermercado, church, iglesia. Yes, now we are going to learn other community places. We have drugstore. Sorry. And the drugstore, you can find medicines, drugstore, farmacia, y encontramos medicinas. Clothing store. Clothing store is a store that sells ready-made clothing, que ya vende ropa lista. Clothing store, o lo que comúnmente conocemos como un almacén. Shoe store. Shoe store comes from the word shoe. Shoes es zapato. That means shoe store es zapatería. It's a place where only sell shoes. Es el lugar donde solamente venden zapatos. Gas station. Yes, gasolinera. It's the place where the vehicle or the cars go to servicing motor vehicles para hacer servicio de motor o en este caso para recargar gasolina. Library is a place where you can find books. Biblioteca is not the librería, no es librería, es biblioteca. Y puedes encontrar libros. So you have to discover or review the places, the new places that we are going to study today. The first one is drugstore. Drugstore, farmacia. The picture where there is a blue car is gas station. The picture where you can find clothes here, clothes, is clothing store. The place where you can find book is a library. And the place where you can find shoes is shoes store. Nice. Okay, so you have a little paragraph here about my community. So you need to read your community paragraph, and then you are going to answer the right place on the line. You have 5 different sentences. You need to read the sentence and discover if about what place is talking the sentences. But to know the answer, you need to read this paragraph. And I'm going to read. I live in a beautiful community that has many places to do different things. We always go to the church on Sundays. People usually go to the hospital when they are sick. My mother goes to the supermarket to buy fresh fruit and vegetables. In my town, there is a fire station with 10 firefighters. I go to the school to learn how to read and count numbers. So you need to read this paragraph again at home, and then you are going to answer these sentences. In each sentences, you have 2 options of different places. So you are going to choose one, but it depends about the reading that you have before. So remember the safety measure for coronavirus: wear a mask, wash your hands, keep your distance, and sanitize your hands. That's all for today, and we will see you the next Friday.